Bear with me, guys. I'm running a little behind. I was on a very important phone call with someone very special, so bear with me. Hey, Zabak, what's happening? Hey, Dan Brittle, what's happening, guys? Nice push up there. Push up and then push back down. Let's see what we got going on here. Took a little hit on the Tradeifys today. Check out this take profit trader, guys. One shot, bang. Was filling you 80 points under minis? Weird. Oh, I blew out that account, guys. I blew that account. Yep. Oh, Yo Jim, yeah, I didn't actually pay attention to that. Good point. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm a little just getting set up right now. I was on a very important phone call, so hey Sherry, what's happening? Amit, how's it going? Yeah, crazy markets today, guys. Very crazy. How'd you guys survive? I passed two 50K evals with Buellnox. Oh, very awesome, Sherry. Congratulations. Hi, Elena from Canada. How's it going? I'm sure it's not warm where you are either. It's freezing here. Started Apex account last night, up 200 on it, and way to go. Awesome, Dan. So yeah, we did really well today. Made a lot of money, which is good, right? Like actual take-home money. So yeah, made money where it counts, I guess. But yeah, it was exhausting. It was exhausting. Mikey trades, what's happening? The blue funded and also passive funded. So hey, yep, perfect. It's all that really matters, you know. It's like it never even happened, Mikey trades. Like it never even happened. So yeah, to be honest with you guys, I'm a little exhausted from today. I definitely over traded, but it was worth it, if that makes sense. So it was like, but I pretty much traded all day, and I just went and worked out on the treadmill, and then now I'm right back on the screen. So not exactly ideal. Thanks, Sherry. Made money in puts, lost money in futures, so yeah, little, not too bad, little mixed day. It's alright, our Charles. I'm scared of options now. I just don't even touch them. I got beat so bad with 0-day options that I have PTSD. Hey Dylan, what's happening? How you guys doing? So I ended up resetting a Take Profit Pro account. Right here. And yeah, 28,000. So it's a 25K account. So I made 3,000 on it, 3,050. So I reset it for 450 bucks. But I ended up sending it. So you're tired too, Sherry? Yeah, today was exhausting. Kind of sucks to be exhausted on a Monday, or to have such a crazy day on a Monday. But yeah, hopefully we can get some rest tonight. Come back and dominate tomorrow too. But yeah, my brain power is definitely like smoked. I'm gonna try a short here. Little bounce, little rejection off the 9 there. Yeah, I'm just on an eval, guys, right now. I mean, the funded accounts were, it's quite wild today on the funded accounts. Hit daily loss limit on Tradeify, but then made a bunch of money on the Apex accounts. Buellanox, we did all right. Got those accounts up nicely. I don't even remember what I made on them. I think maybe 700-800 on each one of these accounts. I don't know. It's all a blur. It's all a blur, guys. Yeah, Sherry. Yeah, working full time, trading full time, it's tough. I'm interested in take profit trader, no activation fee right now. You have to build the buffer though, right? Yep. So, for example, this 25K account, once you get over 1,500 bucks, then the buffer stops. So, like on a 50K account, Mikey trades is so I like the 50K accounts usually, but I had a 25K that I was able to reset pro account, which cost me 450 bucks, but I made, well, 3,000 on it, so it wasn't too bad. So anyways, so 50K account, if you get over $2,000, then the trailing stops. And then anything over 2,000, when you're funded, you can take a daily payout. So yeah, guys are interested, 30% off, 119 total costs on 50K accounts. Terry trades 100, all caps. So yeah. Any cheap straight to live sim fund? Cheap. Probably. I don't know. I do like the Tradeify accounts, the straight to funded Dell. Those are probably my favorite. Are they cheap? Not really, but I think one of the best deals going right now is the Take Profit Trader, and of course the Buellanox, 91% off, obviously, but 119 for Take Profit Trader. It's a good deal. Hey John Walk, what's happened? Did a club. That's right. Yeah, I just hopped off the treadmill. I'm like exhausted today. Like, I feel okay, but I was just like mentally exhausted. But yeah, it was definitely a roller coaster day. Yusuf, what's happening? No, Jay, I did not lose any accounts. I had daily loss limit on Tradeifys, but then made a boatload of money in the personal account and the Take Profit Pro account. So overall, like actual profit, like that I can take home today. I don't know. 1,500. I don't know, 3,500 bucks. Something like that, 3,400 bucks. It's just a really nice day to trade aggressive. Yeah, Vince, that's what I did on that. That's why I wasn't upset. I mean, 25K. I was over that buffer in one trade today. I mean, I'd use E-Trade, Dan. I don't recommend it. I don't recommend E-Trade, but yeah. So I made $1,835 on my E-Trade account today. See it up here? But I just use it for executions, and the only reason why I have it, Dan, is because that's where my other investments are. Is there a consistency rule with Take Profit Trader? Only during evals, it's 50%. But once you're funded, there's no consistency. Amit, so with Buellanox, you should get an email if you're trading with Project X. You should get an email to activate. If not, just send them an help ticket telling me you need to activate your account. Sometimes you have to do that, but like it should say down here in the master accounts, it should say like pay or something like that down here. Yeah, Dan, I hate it. I mean, E-Trade Pro is just horrible. But all I use it is for executions. I'm always looking at the charts on Tradeovate and then use it for executions. Yeah, that must be so nice, Vince. But they can't though. They can't, you know, with the evals. I mean, they would get smoked if it was one day to pass, because people would just send those accounts all the time, like I did today. I was able to reset and then send it. It's quite the bounce in the afternoon, but this is not good. We're still getting that push up here. We have a few evals here we're working on. I was really thinking we'd kind of roll over and push this down, but maybe we are bullish and we're going to end up taking out these here. It'll show on the dashboard at the bottom. Yeah, thank you, Sherry. Yeah, that's what I thought. If I pass the 2,000, take profit funded account, can I withdraw the whole 2,000? No, you can't withdraw the whole 2,000, Yusuf. Anything above 2,000 you can withdraw. Now you can I don't really know how it works. This is pushing up, canceling. There is a way, like if you breach the account in some way, like you can withdraw that money or close the account or something, you can withdraw that money. I'm not 100% sure, Yusuf, but I never really tried to do that. It's 50% consistency, Jay, on the evals only. Yeah, Vince, no, it's not easy. Once you get them, it's nice. You do have a nice buffer. The Beal knots. Hopefully the dashboard updates. On Take Profit Trader. And that way, it's been a little slow updating. That has been an issue. Usually get paid, you know, under 24 hours, but it hasn't been as fast as it used to be. And the dashboard hasn't been updating as fast as it used to. I think they're just getting very popular now. You know, with all the other prop firms just kind of like, you know, messing around with their new rules and things like that. They're Take Profit Traders getting more and more popular. People want those daily payouts, which is sweet. Amelia, how's it going? Sorry if I missed anyone's question. Hey, Futures Floor, how's it going? I haven't missed much. Yeah, just we had a really good day, Futures Floor, really good day where it counted. Yeah, Amelia, that's what I think. They're getting so popular. I know, Yusuf. Yeah, it's kind of sucks. Like, but yeah, 50%. Oh, the buffer. 50K is 2,000. 25K is it 1,500 or is it 1,600? I think it's 1,500. I think it's 1,500. So yeah, we smoked this. Smoked in a good way. This 25K today. Freaking sent it. Ended up trading a little some micros just to get a little extra. Yeah, we ended up doing some trading. But yeah, I ended up 3K profit, so sweet. Right now on J, Take Profit Trader, no. If you use code TerryTrades100 in all caps, there's no activation fee. So it's $119 all in on a 50K, which is not bad. It's one of the better deals that they have. They usually, I've seen 40% off with no activation fee, but now it's like, but now right now it's 30% off with no activation fee, which is still a good deal. But yeah, I appreciate you guys using TerryTrades100 for our friend there, Terry. Terry really helps me out with my Beelenlocks code and stuff, so we've been helping each other out because Take Profit Trader won't give me a code. They won't let me be an affiliate, so she's been very helpful with my Beelenlocks code within her videos and things, so we're just kind of helping each other out that way, which is nice. Not competitive, you know. Yeah, thanks, Mikey Trades. Beelenlocks buffer is 50, 100 on 25K? Okay. Yeah, I think it's the same with Take Profit Trader. The buffer. So yeah, we're way over the buffer now. I'm going to take max payout, whatever I can, so out of this, which I think is about 1,500. We paid $450 for the account today. Which everyone's going, oh, that was a lot. But like, that's part of my strategy. I'll talk about that. So if you get really confident in your trading and being able to get payouts and things, you start feeling a day like today where we're just super heavy. I ended up buying this account like on this candle, and I'm just like, I know we're just gonna keep flushing. So I ended up resetting for $450 after I made $1,850 on my personal account. So I said, well, I'm gonna spend $450 to reset this 25K account. That's a lot of money, but I already made $1,800 on the personal account. So I was like, whatever, I'm gonna reinvest, and then I'm gonna full send this sucker. And I was very close to getting stopped out, like, because I ended up going in 3 contracts, and I was probably $200 from being liquidated. I'm like, oh, this is not gonna work. And then it finally went my way, and yeah, and then I just kept adding to it, and then after I got above the buffer, you know, I felt really good about, you know, keep trading, got over that psychological barrier, and then just kept adding to the winners, you know, and then got the account so it was over, you know, so I made enough to like pay for the account, which was $450, and then I'm just like, well, I'm gonna keep adding, and so I did trade really aggressively, but that's part of my strategy. I don't like to reset an account like when we're in like this mess. You know, I wait for like a big move, and I'm like, oh boy, now the market's moving. Let me reinvest and set, you know, into one of the resetting the take profit accounts, and then it paid off today. So really happy. Really happy. Alyssa, what's happening? Hey, Design Knob, what's going on? Let me go back. Hope you're feeling better soon. Oh, John, hope, yeah. Hope you're feeling better, John. Missing some of the chat, guys, sorry. Oh, it's horrible going to those urgent cares or emergency rooms. It's horrible. Design Knob, one thing to be aware of is when you pass the eval, you have to get an eval bill for $130. You have to go account apply. Yeah, that's a good point, design knob. So yeah, if you do see the bit, like if you do pass the account with Take Profit Trader, just lost my chat. The computer just went blank there. If you do pass, it's gonna say like you're gonna have a bill. Don't pay the bill. There's a coupon that you gotta have to use, and so there is no activation fee. Thank you, Design Knob. I have 5 Take Profit Pro accounts that are blown. Was going to reset today. Wish I would have. Yeah, exactly, John. That's exactly what I did. I only have one left, but I do have one passed. I just gotta flip it for another day. So this one's need to pass. So the safety reserve threshold. Exactly, Future's floor. Yeah. Oh, nice, Dan. Yeah, my cough is, so it's been 2 weeks today, 2 weeks Sunday, John, and my cough is finally, I feel like I'm over it now. Like my cough is getting much better, but yeah, I was coughing for 2 weeks straight, like just a dry cough, and it comes back every so often, but it's definitely getting better. Like the more I talk, but yeah, it's crazy, John. I've never had a cough like this in my life. So yeah, we are pushing up. Wood chip, we are pushing up. How's it going, wood chip? Yeah, we had a great day today. I hope you had a good day. I know, a lot of you guys, not everyone had a great day today. It's definitely a wild day. A lot of people blew up accounts, I'm with you. I hit daily loss limit on my Tradeify accounts after being up like 400, 500 on each one of those accounts, and then got caught up in the excitement. So, wasn't all wins. Wasn't all wins. Only goes up, design knob. Only goes up. But yeah, just a really... Did you guys check out YM today? Look at that dump on YM. Wow. I mean... I think it was like... Wrong button. Jeez, what? 1100 and... 1100 and... Approximately 1138 points on the YM today. Dump. Just wild. Hey, Keegan Murphy, what's happening? What's going on? What's happening, guys? Yeah, design knob. I do like trading gold too. Yeah, we've been making some gold trades, some pretty nice gold trades. But yeah, nice push up. Gold. Very bullish. Check the 1 hour. Yeah, are we going to 3,000? Don't know. Really feels like we're just gonna keep pushing, you know? Don't want to trade the wrong accounts. What are you guys waiting for? Buellnox past evaluations? Yeah, it might be a delay. I'm sure like some of the props are just delayed with the data. I mean, I'm sure there was tons of resets, tons of past accounts, like just tons. So I'm sure like the data and everything's being delayed. A trader friend called me and started arguing about his wisdom. He literally said that. I got wicked at 148 on nearly a 100-point candle and told my friend, hang on a sec, what's going on here? He got mad. Yeah, so I was talking to my trader friend today too. And we were seeing things pretty similar, which was nice. That's what I was on the phone with. I was on the phone just before I got on. That's why I was a little late getting on. But yeah, I'm sure the data and stuff is a little delayed right now as far as getting activations and stuff. Because you know the prop firms had tons of resets today. I hope everyone used code PINE on the resets. No, it was pretty wild. I mean, as day traders, we love this. We don't like sideways markets, so. Oh, right, wood chip. Yeah, I know the feeling. Well, I finally have a trading buddy, and it's nice. I haven't really had one since my brother quit trading. So I finally have a trading buddy. And it's all because of this channel. So it's nice. You guys probably can guess who it is. Pulling back now from the 550s, 560s, down to 545. Definitely feels like we have room to the upside. I'm going to try to squeeze in along and get a little pullback. Might even try a little DCA. I mean, I think we could take back some of this gappage. We also have some down below too, so just a little wild. I'm gonna hop in long here. Might even DCA. You guys are all answering. Yeah, you guys are all guessing. Tiger? No, not Tiger. Darrell. Luna? No, not Luna. I don't think Luna knows who I am. Maybe he does. Next guys are in the chat. Ask him if he knows who I am. His channel's growing really fast. He trades those weird times too, in the morning. Yeah. Not Kellyanne. Of course, I would talk to Kellyanne. I would. She does follow my channel and my X feed, but she hasn't stopped in on the chat yet. Maybe she's listening. I do have a few Buellnox accounts that I bought, so I'm not too worried about this one. Feels bullish. Could pull back here though. feel like I do a lot of guessing during the Asia markets. The reopen. Yeah, John Walk, exactly. You know who my friend is. She's a better trader than me, I know that. Did they take the money out, Jay, before you blew the account? I hope they took the money out, Jay. Okay, you're good. You're fine. As long as yep, futures floor is right. As long as they took the money out. You had me scared, Jay. I was about ready to go, what the heck are you doing? Yeah, no, as long as they took the money out, you're good. Alright. That account last night, we ended up almost smoking, so we were up big on that account. So we didn't have much drawdown at all. So let's see if we can get that pullback now. I still like the long. I'm gonna hop in. $15 evals, guys. Sorry, that's how I trade them. I usually trade them more aggressive than this during New York, like max contracts. Yeah, wood chip, yeah, me too. Almost threw your computer out the window. You almost pulled a Danny Trades and smashed your computer. I do have a bed behind me, so I've been known to turn around and punch that bed a little bit. Usually when I'm tilty on on my personal account. But what are you doing? And then I'll just lay there and go, what are you doing? Punched your chair. I know. I tell you guys, like, being a full-time trader, I have to work out. It's a necessity for me. It's like I have to work out because I have to blow off that steam, that stress of trading sometimes. Sometimes, you know, you have nice easy days or whatever, but like I have to like at least go for a walk or lift weights, go for a hike, something. I have to blow off that stress and anxiety. Especially on a day like today where I actually still feel wound up from today. And I just got off the treadmill. I just did 2.5 miles on the treadmill, so, which, you know, it's not a lot, but I was just like, I gotta get on stream, so. You almost did a kid poker, smashed the keyboard. Yeah. A nice futures floor, yeah. Today was it was good for some for sure. Maxed out on the evals, our child's nice. You could literally gain members by having outlandish responses, bad trades. Everyone just waiting for Pine to smash his guitar. Yeah. That would be something, huh? You guys can see me doing that? Yeah, that's definitely not in my nature for sure. I mean, I'm emotional. I'm an emotional trader, that's for sure, but yeah, that would be something. Yeah, yeah, TBM. Can't tell how many times I waited to throw my phone through a window this week. Yeah, it's been kind of crazy. This market. I don't know if it's here to stay or not. The wild market, you know. New administration, you know. It's been wild. You never know. I got caught up in that My Funded Future thing in this mess. Ended up trying to long and then I think I bought the top. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. I think I bought like $7.95 on that competition account. That was a mistake. One day, got stop out on the high of the day, then I was still in the pit, turned around, punched the pole. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you don't want to punch metal or wood. I hope so too, John. I hope so. I hope the volatility stays. I love it. I mean, you size down. Like if you guys were watching me this morning, I sized down with 3 micros. I made $300 something trading 3 micros today on those funded accounts. I mean, it was way too volatile to trade minis at first, and then once the afternoon hit, then I started trading minis. Yeah, it was crazy. Hey, Coach Fred in the house. How's it going, Coach Fred? Good to see you. He had a thick pad around it, John. Yeah, it looked pretty wild. I'm not a very big guy. Like, I'm a pretty small guy, so I don't know how well I would have done in the pit. I could have weaseled my way through people, but yeah, I'm a pretty small guy. I would have had to climb the pole to get seen. All right, still getting that pole back. DCA. Yeah, Fred, it was wild, huh? How'd you do today, Fred? Hey, Blake, how's it going? I went great today, Blake. It really did. Probably my best day of the year. So it's to be expected that I'm gonna blow a few evals. It's to be expected. Oh, great, Blake. Very nice. Yeah, we took the take profit trader, the 25K up to 28,000, and made 1850 or 1875 on the personal account. So definitely a best day of the year for me, as far as being able to actually take profits, you know, paying myself. Feel like I could have made a lot more too. That's the kicker, you know, but hey, we'll take it. Darrell has a few pulls in the SS trailing drawdown. He does. Added some gains in the funded accounts. Great. Awesome, Fred. You looking at a spoofer there, Andreas? Andreas, did you save your My Funded Future account? Mine's gone. Yeah, I'm not in the competition anymore, guys. Bill, yeah, I trade NQ mostly, and I trade YM and gold. And a little oil sometimes. But lately, I kind of gone away from the oil trade. Fred knows about it, Trader Rob's oil trade, and I just need to do the opposite of what I'm thinking tonight, guys. On this eval. By the way, this is an eval only. I could not buy a freaking trade sometimes. I try to wait for the pullbacks, and then I try, like, that's not even my normal strategy. Try to get in on these EMAs here, and then it's still dumping, and then I usually like when I'm trading New York, you guys watch, I usually trade on momentum, and I haven't been having very much luck trading momentum during the Asia markets, so, and then tonight it seems like the little momentum scalps are working. It is what it is. I'm not good at trading this session. I love coming in here, talking the markets, having everyone like unwind from the day. It's fun, but yeah, I'm just horrible. That's why I haven't been touching my funded accounts. I'm not wild like Stock Tiger. I'm a DCA again. So yeah, Bill. Yeah, that's it's nighttime for me right now. 6:50 at night, p.m. Eastern time. I live up in Maine, so. But yeah, I usually stream in the mornings, Bill. Thank you for the sub, by the way. Sometimes I don't see new subs, and I noticed I got quite a few last night and some tonight, so I really appreciate the new subs, guys. Sometimes it doesn't show up on the Streamlabs, so. Well, I gotta change that Tradeify thing on the cloud bot. I'm gonna do that right now before I forget. Oops. I'm gonna trade that. So if you guys want to use the Tradeify, if you want to use my link, you gotta use my link and then use code March. So like MAR. Because they're another company that won't give me custom code yet. But you know what? We're gonna build this channel up. We're gonna build our community, and they're gonna be begging for me to promote their stuff. I don't know. Did any of those trades appear today? I didn't even look. I got so caught up with the NASDAQ. Let's see. Let's go back here. We're just looking at Fred and I are just looking at a trade right now. Looks like it would have failed Fred today. First inside bar after 10, it would have failed. This one was a nice one. This was a nice long. But yeah, the first one failed today. Taking some heat on this evaluation, guys. And if you guys watch that Futures Scalper or whatever his name is on YouTube, I was just checking him out today. I've never watched him before. He DCAs with accounts. Oh yeah, he DCAs with accounts, I believe. Like, so like, all right, so say this account's in drawdown, like he'll go to the next account and then he'll just add along, like he'll start longing here and then so on. And he does it with like funded accounts. It's kind of crazy, but it's actually not dumb. It's like I get what he's doing. I think the prop firms are not gonna like what he's doing, and I think they've probably have already cracked down on some of this stuff, but yeah. Right, yeah, John Walk, yeah, right. That's what that's the feeling I had. But the dude, he goes in. Like, he's not scared. He's banned from Apex? Yeah, alright, yeah. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised that he's not on their radar. But yeah, I just kind of checked him out today for the first time, and I was curious. Because I was like, who the heck is this guy, you know? But yeah, he's wild. You invert his longs? Yeah. Yeah, he DCAs like crazy. So I'm not surprised that Apex banned him. And yeah, he is. Hey, I mean, if his ROI is good, then I get it. I get his strat. If he's got a good ROI. Seems stressful the way he trades. But yeah, I was watching him, like he was adding, like on this dump. This is when I was watching him, and he was adding and adding and adding and adding, and then oh, that account's gone, and then he's on the next account, adding. Oh, that account's gone. I hit the loss limit on that one. That one's blown, and then he added that, and then finally he hit one. I was like, that's wild. But I get it. I almost get it. I get what he's doing. Kind of like what I'm just doing right now. That was like his strat. Yeah, John R. Yeah, for sure. That's exactly what he was doing. He was definitely trying to catch that fallen knife today. A lot of people were, so. But, yeah. Take that off there. See if we reject off the oh yeah, I forgot I have this other one on. See? Get too many. See, that's what you do as a streamer, right? You go off stream and then you show the green account, and then well, this one it's not showing, see? That's how you do it. No, these are just evals, guys. If you guys are just tuning in, if you're new, I don't take much stock in passing evals. I generally just full send them during the open. Hey Frank, thanks for the sub. Appreciate that. Help me pay. Yeah, John Walk. I hear you. Currently, right now, my affiliates are not paying for my evaluations, so. This thing is so jumpy, that 250 lot. Oh, someone throwing a 250 lot up there. So, Andreas, yeah, what do you think what do you think is going to happen with live accounts, you know? What do you guys think? Like, So all these prop firms are trying to push live accounts. So we get more and more traders on live accounts and with lots of leverage. So you're going to see a lot of like big micros like on MNQ in the almost like a spoof. I think it's going to be quite wild if they actually go on the books. I mean, you take like a 300K account or something, and I don't even know how many micros you can trade, but yeah, it's gonna be different. Taking one off, taking off a little risk there. See if we can break up through those. But yeah, you're gonna see people throwing big lots on the with the prop firms, even though you're not technically allowed to do that on CME rules as far as throwing the big lots on, from what I understand. So, what happened? I'm frozen. See that, guys? I was frozen. Project X just froze on me. We're good now. Yeah, I hear you, John. Yeah, I really support you guys. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys supporting and using my codes. I mean, it's such a small channel, and you guys have been using my Bulanox and Apex codes, so I only have those two really that are worth anything. So, and then you guys have been using Terry Trades 100, which is awesome. Take Profit Trader. She has been reporting back to me, so saying that she's getting some sales, which makes me happy. Because she's a small streamer too, and she's looking to go live soon. We were talking. I was trying to help her set up Streamlabs a little bit, but I'm an idiot when it comes to that stuff, so I wasn't much of a help. But but yeah, she's trying to get Streamlabs going and start doing some live trading, so this will be fun. If you plan to get filled, this guy just keeps moving around. Yeah, exactly, Andreas, yeah. Yeah, if you're spoofing, that's obviously a no-no. Come on, we couldn't push up through those EMAs. There's new rules in my funded futures, Coach Fred? I don't know. Yeah, thank you for mentioning that. I didn't know that. For all accounts? Tried to Toyota Crooks. Yeah. Yeah, my email. Toy Cruiser. Yeah. Yeah, that one didn't work. Oh, the new accounts. Yeah, I don't know. Let's take a look. I haven't even looked at them. So it's the all right, let's see here. Start challenge. Let's see. Eval to live. Let's pull this over. So we are long, guys. Alright, so alright. I'm already confused. Eval to live, 50K, 50K. Alright, what's going on here? Alright. Wait a minute, I'm already confused. What the heck's going on? Oh, okay, I see. So this 50K, you pay $444. Probably there's a discount, but Oh, so there's different phases. I don't know. So phase 1 on this one is 3,000. Phase 2 is 3,000. So it's similar to the milestones. So they got rid of the milestones. This is very similar to the milestones, which in my opinion sucked. And if you get to phase 3, then you get $2,000 payouts. So you have to make 6K. You have to make 6K to get to $2,000 payout. And then you go to live. Huh. Yeah, I'm not really sure how it works yet. I don't know. That just doesn't look good to me. This is the best account they have. This one right here, in my opinion. If you're a big time swinger, then maybe this one. This, I don't know, it doesn't look good to me. I don't know. Down 585 right now on this. Trying to get the push up through that one is 1 step, the other is 2 steps. Yeah, see that, that's weird. But you pay up for it, so to eliminate that 1 step. I mean, essentially it's like the milestones, really, which I hated. I hated the milestones. So I was like, I did the same amount of work in the milestones to get a payout of, I don't even remember what it was, the 25K, $750, $650, with the same amount of work that if I did it in the starter account, I would have got a $1,200 payout. So it didn't make any sense to me. I don't know, it was weird. Funded didn't show real live entry prices today for me. Yeah, I know, you said that, Dan. That's weird. You use Tradeovate, Dan? I wasn't really having any issues. Not really. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like button, guys. 75 of you watching. This is awesome. You guys are here for some lost porn, huh? On this eval. But yeah, feel free to smash the like button. And yeah, sub if you haven't subbed, guys. We trade this market 6 to 8 usually Eastern time, and then I usually trade from 9:30 to like 11:30, 12 in the mornings. If you guys go back to my live stream this morning, I pinned the trades in the comments, and we absolutely slayed the market this morning. So you just easily go back to the comments, and I tried to timestamp all the trades. I might have missed 1 or 2, I don't know. I tried my best, but usually if I have time, I do that in the mornings. I even timestamp my losing trades too. So this is an opposite day for me. If you're just doing the opposite and fading me, you're making all kinds of money. This is an eval only. If you're just tuning in, I had a really good day today. Take profit 25K up to 3,000 today. Just a really good day, so I'll take a $1,500 payout out of that. And yeah, the Apex account's looking really good. This static Apex account up to $4,775 static drawdown. So looking really good. These are all looking good. This one's up to almost 3K, 2,200, 2,300. So they're getting up there. This one, I think I probably hit that 30% trailing drawdown when I first started, so kind of wondering. Back to the chat, guys. I mean, based on my payout tab, it seems like 75% of the people are on the start account. Yeah, I think you're right, Andreas. Yeah, I'm hoping not to get banned. I actually could take a payout again tonight, guys. Probably should. Hey, Pretty Fly from Thailand. Welcome. You watch me every morning? I appreciate that. Your morning or my morning? That's awesome, guys. Appreciate you stopping in. John, you were in Asia last year, Thailand and Vietnam. Oh, that's awesome. John, I really want to do that. Your morning, all right. Welcome. All right, getting a little push up there. See if we can get through these EMAs now. It's kind of what we were looking for. Stargazer in the house. What's happening, Stargazer? Oh, Dell. How many do I have right now? For funded accounts, 2 Tradeifys, 3 Bulanox, 5 Apex, 1 Take Profit Trader Pro account, my personal account. Oh, 3 My Funded Futures accounts. So, yeah, that's what I have. All right, getting that push up finally. How'd you do today, Star? Nice push there. We're in 2 minis. No trades yet? Pretty wild market it was earlier. I'm sure you saw it. Oh, very nice, Star. Yeah, what a wild market today. Yeah, we hit 3K on this 3,049.50 on the 25K pro account, so be taking a nice little payout on that tonight as soon as it updates. Last time Take Profit Trader took so long to update the dashboard, I fell asleep, and then I had to do it in the morning, so then I didn't end up getting the payout until later in the day when the market was pretty much closing. So you think we sweep the lower? Yeah, it's possible. You listen to Jay Screams? Yeah. He don't do trend days. He don't do trend days. He likes this stuff. He trades this stuff way better. This sideways stuff, this is like 0 days jam right here. He loves this stuff. Yeah, looks like we're gonna get that sweep there, Nestor. We're taking some heat. It's alright. John King, I get them pretty fast. Yeah, I'm not patient with the evals, as you see. Yeah, I get them pretty fast. John King, I sent like my apexes and stuff, I send them at open. Stop is the account, Alyssa. Nah, I'm probably gonna stop myself out right here. I'm gonna sweep these lows. I was gonna do a future scalper trade, and then just DCA. But it looks like we're coming down now, so I was gonna do this. See if we get the push. Range trading, yeah, it's tough. Sometimes if it's a good size range, I can trade it pretty well. I can definitely trade it pretty well, but oh, I blew it, Josh. Yeah, I blew it. Yeah, I blew that my Funded Future account. I bought long, and then I just no stops, and ended up just trading the Take Profit Trader account. We got this one. We made 3K on the Take Profit Pro account today, Josh, which was nice. Made 1,850 on the personal account. But the My Funded Future competition, you guys are on your own. You guys gotta make me proud. I was up over 2K too, Josh. I was. And ended up just not caring, you know. I don't know. I was trading it like a demo account. I just didn't give a crap, you know. I don't know. I know. It sucks. I wanted to be in it just for fun, but some guy's up 200%. That's pretty crazy. But yeah, good for you, Josh. You're up, though. Yeah, just stay patient. I mean, it's for the whole month. If you guys are in it. All right, John. You want to get more? Yeah, I mean, Take Profit Trader right now, guys. Good, really good deal. So appreciate it. Use my friend Terry Trades 100, all caps. 119 for 50K, all in. It's a beautiful thing. It's one of the best deals that they run. They don't run 90% off or anything like that. The best you'll usually see is 40% off and no activation, and that's very rare. That's like their 90% off. So I know, Josh. Yeah, I actually thought about that after. I was just like, oh. Yeah, no, I bought at $7.95 on that little Trump speech pump there. I says, oh yeah, we're gonna break through here, start taking out this stuff. And nope, that's when we started reversing. And I just, no stops, and it was dumb. But wasn't trading. It wasn't trading, guys. It was just clicking the button and hoping a prayer. But we capitalized. We capitalized on the dump, so. Yeah, Josh, I know. Yeah, that's like their 90% off, you know. You think so, Andreas? I mean, if you sold the top, I mean, the Dow dropped 1,100 points almost. So, I mean, even with, what, $5 a point? That's a good day. I don't know. I haven't looked at the leaderboard. Let's take a look. Oh, I can't look at it. I can't even look at it. They kicked me out. Oh no, I can look at it. There we go. Oh, there we go. So you can look at his trades, I think. Oh, that's updated. Why does it not look right? Oh, he shorted from 986. So yeah, as you look at his trades, you guys probably can't quite see because of my camera. Let me see. There, I think you guys can see now. Yeah, he ended up longing. So 9865, he ended up shorting. You guys are right. You guys are right. What the? What's up with that? What's up with that? So he no, wait. Oh, no. He got out. He got out. He got out of the trade. So he was short NASDAQ. He closed it. No. You guys are right. Now they're gonna that's gotta be disqualified. Hey Joker Trades, how's it going? Yeah, no, he must have cheated. Yeah, you guys are right. That's crazy. Thank you. Oh, he must have done something. I mean, he was short one NASDAQ 10 micros. He exploited the loophole. So he was short two contracts. So he made 20 grand. That's not right. I gotta screenshot that. You know who I'm sending this to. This is the leader on Take Profit Trader. I mean, My Fund and Future competition. And I would imagine the other guy did too. That's up top. It's so easy to see. Yeah, all the leaders did the same thing. That's so interesting. This guy did too. Look, right here. 3:12 p.m. 1 long NASDAQ, 10 long MNQ. And you're not allowed to do that, guys, right? I think that's against the rules. Flatten that one. See how I did a future scalper trade right there? Take one off for risk. Yeah, that's crazy, guys. I never even noticed, but yeah. So you can trade you can trade like 2 contracts with no fear, right? So that is part of the rules. That's crazy. I didn't know that. Yeah, the trade's public. All right, Star. We'll be here. Oh, okay. Yeah, the contest rules. I a nice bounce on NQ. We're just slinging around these evals. Go gamble. Let's go. Yeah, Coach Fred. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, the My Funded Futures, I thought you were only allowed to trade either 10 micros or 1 mini at the same time. These guys have been trading 10 micros and 1 mini at the same time, so it's essentially 2 contracts, 2 NQ contracts. So I don't know about the contest rules, but that's interesting. I don't know, visible ID. Apparently it exists in their in the platform right now. Yeah, I thought you had to trade one or the other. I mean, that's up to you, Vince. I mean, I like having both, but a little bit, Blake. Yeah, cowboy chords. Not very good. Oh, good, Josh. Interesting. But that's kind of silly that they even allowed it, you know? Yeah, Vince, I mean, that's up to you, man. I mean, I know you were not thrilled with the Beelnox, so I mean, take profit trader is really good if you can get if you're confident enough to get past that trailing threshold. You guys, everyone's got to stop using take profit trader so the dashboard updates quicker. I'm just kidding. It's so slow lately. It's like I want my payout. really? Yeah, you're not allowed to trade gold, huh? That's weird. Yeah, you wouldn't think it would allow you to, like, even do it. You know, you think it would be like on a funded account or whatever, and just not allow you to hit those to add that many contracts or whatever. Pushing up 527s now. Kind of rejected off that 50. There you go. We're getting a little push there. Hey, Gregory Blake. No, I don't trade Nikkei. Oh, okay. So they'll be all right. So wait for you to trade a month and then. Yeah, Vince. Can you guys still join? Even though I think you can, right? Hey, Gregory Blake. Thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. No, I trade NASDAQ, Gregory, YM, gold, and a little bit of oil, but I mostly trade NASDAQ. That's my baby. YM. You guys will see me trade live YM in the morning sometimes, but I wish I would have traded it this morning. I mean, look at that dump. School run trade, 9:45. But I couldn't trade it because of the 10 o'clock news on the props. Yeah, appreciate you subbing. Yeah, let's take a look at gold. Ooh. Very interesting on the gold. Yeah, it was no fear. I do. I have my own version of it. I have my own version. I made a little video about it on YM. So if you know the school run trade, Wiz No Fear, I basically trade only when there's 8:30 news. So my time, 8:30 news, then that's when I trade it. If there's nothing else after. It seems to eliminate a lot of bad trades. Yeah, I actually made a video about it. Maybe post it. It's a horrible video, guys. It's horrible. It was one of my first videos that I made. I had no microphone. But I'll post it. Hold on. I haven't been trading it much this year. So, you know, obviously do your own back testing and stuff with it, but I give Tom Hugard full credit, you know. Where the heck is it? I know I have it. I'm looking for it. Why can't I find it? This is weird. I cannot find it. Found it. I am making a lot of content, so you guys. All right, pull it up in the chat here. All right. So yeah, it's just a little video I made. If you guys want to check it out, obviously do your own back testing and everything. It's a really old video, one of my first videos. I had no microphone, but yeah, it's the YM school run trade. It's kind of like my version, the way I trade it. So, Smokey Bear, what's going on? Looking like we're getting that pop. Let's see. Yeah, I had no mic. I was using like gaming headphones. It's horrible, I know. But you know, when you do YouTube stuff, like you want to look back at your old videos and say, and cringe, you know? That means you're improving every time, so. Thanks, Smokey. Oh, you were able to join, Vince? Awesome. So yeah, you guys can still join the My Funded Future competition if you haven't yet. I guess you can join at any time. I thought you had to join prior, but I guess not. So I think you have to have an account with My Funded Futures. So what time has the Take Profit dashboard been adding up for, or like updating for you guys? That was a nice day on it. Look at that pullback. Now it's giving me back. I'm gonna X out of that. Probably paper handing it, but we'll see. Put this one up to 704. This one's down a little bit. But Take Profit Trader, yeah, that's weird. I'm looking for the dashboard to update on mine. It's not updating. It's made 3K on this one today, so I want to take out 1,500. But that ain't right. Yeah, it's ranging right now. It's sitting at the VWAP. Could pull back down in here. Let's refresh. No, nothing. Yeah, design. I know, it's so slow. Apex support is so long now, 9 days waiting for it to close, huh? Yeah, it's like everyone's been over. I think futures trading is getting overwhelmed. Buellanox is surprisingly has very good support. They're really fast so far, but hopefully they don't go through growing pains too. Because I'm pretty sure take profit traders going through some growing pains because it is not updating very quickly. I'm pretty sure my funded futures is updated already. So kind of paper handed that long there. Let's look here. Yeah, my funded futures is updated. I think I'm gonna take a my funded future payout. Payout party, guys. Which count though? Yeah, paper handed that long there. Oh, let's see. Trying to decide which Adrian A, what's happening? Yeah, design knob is super. I mean, it used to be fast. I know Buellanox does have really amazing support with no fear. It's really nice, actually. Their website sucks, so I mean it's manageable. It's just not great. So it's nice that they have good support. Gregory Blake, I would say my favorite is probably Take Profit Trader. I do love my funded future starter accounts though. You just can't earn and burn them. You gotta be careful, and I'm kind of been doing that, so I'm a little nervous. Alright, which account can I take a payout on? I think 135. Oops, looking at the wrong one. Yeah, look at that push up, guys. Nice push up. 519, 532s. Not that one. 36. Yeah, so 136 I can request a payout. Let's go. So yeah, we just got a My Funded Future payout, what, Friday? Thursday? Thursday. So we can get another one right here. Super simple. If you guys are new, I'm at the 90% profit split, which sucks, but so yeah, here's another payout, and watch how fast they pay. Request a payout. Bang. Pending review. Was it 740? I bet it yeah, Take Profit Traders. Yeah, so 119 all in right now on Take Profit Trader, 50K accounts. Use code TerryTrades100 in the chat, my friend. They won't give me the code, so Futures floor. All right, take it easy, man. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for stopping in. Matt Leach, yeah. Bounced right off 29,000 exactly. Gold did. Let's take a look at gold. Oh wow. Yeah. What do you think? I don't think that's gonna hold, do you? Let's take a stab short in gold. This is an I think trade. I don't think that 2,900 is gonna hold. Yeah, it does that design knob. It's weird how it starts to make all-time highs and then it just pulls back so much. Gold does. I'm not gonna give this that much room. Stop at the highs here. You'll have to come get me. Not a good risk to reward or anything, but I'm just looking to take out the 2,900s. I think we sweep it. I don't think we leave it. How you guys doing tonight? How's everyone doing? If you're just tuning in, how'd you guys do today? Did you guys get smoked? Just make a bunch of money? It's quite the wild market, so. And smash the like button for me, guys. Almost 80 people watching, which is, I think, is probably close to one of my records. Just keep an eye on NASDAQ, see what NASDAQ's doing. Looks like it's breaking down. Hey Trev, what's happening? Track people like flies. Welcome. But now NASDAQ feels dumpy, don't it? It's pretty bearish. Pretty bearish candle, but I mean, we are just chopping a range. 558s, 492s, like a 50-point range, 60-point range. Just up here in the DOM. I just have them set right here. I have the ones I like start out. The yen, crude, S&P there. Oh, you have to have this color or something too to match. I don't know how it works. Oh yeah, the link. You have to have these linked to DOM, to that. I knew you were gonna ask me that. I think you just click on the color, and then you click on the color. So whatever the chart is, then you have to click on the color here, I believe. But yeah, I think so. Wisdom here. I've had it like reset before, like it was weird. Nasdaq feels dumpy. Gotta get down below that 500s though. Get a strong close down below that. We could start to see, you know, 460s, that area possibly, but just like that, guys. My funded futures is paid. That's how fast they pay. Love it. Carlos, what's up? Yeah. So I really gotta start thinking about. Yeah, she looking dumpy now. Looking dumpy. I gotta start thinking about getting an expert account with my funded futures before I get banned for the starter accounts, because I mean, I'm not doing anything wrong. Whoa. There we go. There's a stop loss hunt. I'm gonna hop in on this. Some sort of news out. Yeah, some sort of news. Let's see, let's check the headlines. I don't think that was it. Probably a tweet. Probably a tweet. Check on a gold trade. Gold trade's looking good. I think we do sweep that 2,900. Add to the gold trade. Back to Nasdaq. Nasdaq just totally trapped me. Yeah, that's fine. DCA on that one too. See how fast we can blow this account. This is an eval only too, guys, by the way, if you're just tuning in. Just trading the evals right now. You see, like, it doesn't say master accounts, so this is a qualification account, so yeah, that was quite the drop there. I'm sure there was some sort of headline or tweet. Which pair makes you the most money consistently? Nasdaq. Oh, nice was no fear. Oh, 75% tariffs. Yeah, that's probably what it was. China. China news. Gold is saving this trade right now. We're saving this account. We're in heavy with 3 contracts on the gold. I don't think that's 900. This 900 is gonna hold. This is all I was thinking on this. When I get those big round numbers that like make lows and highs, I just automatically assume that those are not gonna hold. So if it's like a low or a high like on Nasdaq, say like 21,000 even, I'm like that's not gonna hold. So that's where my brain goes. But Nasdaq's pushing up higher. It's actually, man. Apparently the market likes 75% tariffs, according to the headline. So we need to exit out. I'm out of that. Trapped on that one. Now it's just gonna push up through. Wow. This market's tricky and I'm glad these evals are only $15. It died. I mean, look at that. Nasty. Exited the gold there, but still think we break lower. Maybe we get a little pullback up here. Re-enter, possibly. Yeah, that was quite the. That was a quite the push up there. Honest take. I mean, I was trying to go into the momentum too, but I mean, they're in these markets, 60 points. 60-point bounce, 474. Short gold again. My DCA. Stop for you, Star. I don't think it's gonna hold that 2,900. This is an I think trade. What a bounce on NQ. That just completely roasted some people, including myself. Right back into the top of the range. 540s now, off from 473. So yeah, what a bounce. So we finally get up in here, the 560s, 580s, start filling these single prints on the 5-minute. Trading a little, trading a little both. Full-time trader. Trading a little both. Your My Funded Future payout has hit the Rise account. Very nice. Yeah, it goes super quick. Once it goes in the Rise account, then right to your bank account. Hey, what's good, Jay Stores? What's happening? I bet you're having fun. You're a big college basketball fans. March Madness. March Madness. Yeah, they are looking a little bullish. I'm just thinking. I'm actually on DCA. Thinking that this low a day is not going to hold on 2,900, like even. Could be dead wrong. Duke, yeah. So I'll be watching my. Let's see. I probably won't be watching, but I don't have many channels. I have an antenna, guys. I don't have cable. I live in the woods and I have an antenna. But yeah, I like watching my Michigan State Spartans. I'm not from Michigan. Don't ask me how I became a Michigan State Spartans fan in college basketball, but yeah. Stream East. I'll have to check it out. What a push up. Wow. I'll try taking some out of the account. Oh, you have the ACC package? Yeah, I'm cheap, Carlos. I'm cheap. But I do enjoy the college basketball. It's one of my favorite things to watch. So, it's so competitive. Gold is not working out here either. Pushing up higher. Kind of holding this downward trend though. Let's see. ESPN Plus, yeah, nice. Up 600 in Top Step, let's go. Yeah, only goes up, right? Design knob, market only goes up. So Jay Stores, our boy got injured the other night, I guess, right? Some sort of eye injury. It's probably fine, but Mr. Cooper flag. It's not working, guys. The I think trade did not work. We're gonna get out of this. Starting to break this downward trend line too. Oof, look at that pullback. Now it'll go. Yeah. Kind of getting beat up on the evals tonight. It's not surprising. after a monster day in the funded accounts. Let's see. Now Nasdaq's pulling back. We're gonna come back into this range and just keep chopping this range. Kind of what it feels like, don't it? We survived. We survived. Nice, J Stores. Past 50K, Tradeify, let's go. Yeah, really good day to pass evals. I didn't even... Oh, I said the dreaded R word. No, Sean, I traded in New York. That's my session. Yeah, if you guys want to go, I traded this morning actually, and if you guys go my live stream this morning, I pin all the trades in the comments. So if you're a new trader or whatever and find it helpful, you can just right there, the timestamps. So and we absolutely slayed the market this morning. Slayed it. Made the market my bitch. So yeah, this is so I try to timestamp them all down here from this morning. So these are all the trades we made. The good, bad, and the ugly. I don't hide nothing from you guys. I don't need to. So yeah. Yeah. It's tough. This session is tough. I try not to touch my funded accounts. I try. Yeah, absolutely full-time trader. I show everything, man. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I'm not PW. I'm not PW and just say I'm long or whatever and actually not showing on the chart. Yeah, no problem, full-time trader. Yeah, right. He gets payouts. I'm not gonna say anything. You know, the dude gets big-time payouts, but I have been banned. I have been banned from his channel for asking him to show his executions, but that was before he was. That was a while back, so I think I'm unbanned now. Yeah, Star. I'm with you. Yeah, I know. Yeah, full-time trader. You're not wrong. There's a lot that do that. There's a lot that do that. My thing is, like, my channel, my whole thing is to build a community. I mean, we have better traders than me in the chat, you know, but it's just like kind of showing my journey and how I do it as a full-time trader. You know, I'm not really here to teach people how to trade, things like that, but I do show my executions and everything, and I got nothing to hide. I tell you guys when I blow up accounts. I tell you guys when I make money. You know, it just is what it is. It sucks when I go on tilt when I'm not on stream, like, because I trade off stream too. I mean, this is what I do for a living. I can't make a living with YouTube yet, so you know, all my trading is like how I pay my bills. So I trade off stream too, and but it always sucks coming back on stream and saying, guys, guess what? I blew all my Apex accounts today. Or something, you know. Have you found a workaround? TradingView doesn't find that order. I've never used TradingView, Sean. Sorry. I've never used TradingView. Star might be able to help you. I think Star uses TradingView. Oh yeah, really? He was hedging on funded accounts, full-time trader? Yeah. One video PW watched is one where he finally came out and said he made more money from affiliate and YouTube ads than he does trading. Yeah, Emilio, you get a channel that big, it's pretty hard. It's pretty hard to out-trade your affiliates. I mean, it's been reported that he makes an estimated $15,000 a day from YouTube and affiliates. So it is a long journey, Kurd. It is a long journey. Welcome. I don't think I've seen you in the chat before. Welcome, by the way. Pine is the Alpine. Yeah. Nice full-time trader. Living the dream, right? If you can do this stuff full-time. I never trade on mobile, Sean, anymore. Very rarely. I mean, my mobile is like my Chromebook. That's me mobile. I never trade on my phone. Yeah, right. Methodical, I mean, with his smaller channel, I mean, he's said it before on his, I mean, Methodical Man makes $500 a day. He said it on his channel, so I'm not speaking out of turn or anything. And he's got what, 6,000, 7,000 subscribers? So $500 a day is pretty good. And you figure someone with 200, 300,000 subscribers, like Trades by Matt. Yeah. Our friend Nutty Bar, making a lot of money. A lot of money. They don't have to trade. Yeah, full-time trader, yeah. And then sells a course on top of it. I mean, it is work, guys. I mean, I'm not saying it's not work, doing this, but it's not doing what I used to do. Oh, you came over to the dark side, full-time trader? Came over to the nasty NASDAQ? Yeah. It was pretty tempting. I use MT4 on your phone, Star? Okay. The Lambo newbies. Yeah, I do like that. Yeah, he needs a third Lambo. Two's not enough, so. He likes to spend. But it's all marketing now. It's all marketing. And that's what he did. Prior was marketing, so. Yeah, Tiger, I mean, his channel's growing. I mean, I make like, some days I'll make like $20 a day from affiliates. But I only have two. If I had Take Profit Trader, things would be different, but I don't. So sometimes I make like $50 a day or whatever, but you know. Which is, hey, I'm happy about it. I mean, I appreciate you guys using my codes. I mean, to help support the channel, and it's free to you guys, and you're just showing me that you want this channel to continue, so it's great. And I'm always like I'm always like trying to support the small streamers and using their codes. That's just me. It's like almost like supporting a small business. I'm not gonna knock these guys' hustle. I mean, TBM and Patrick Whelan, and I mean, these guys, they hustle on YouTube for sure. It's just not my style of channel. Oh, thanks, full-time trader. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, Honest Take. Yeah, exactly. Honest Take's got a pretty big YouTube channel as well. You don't really, no, you don't trade, but he's got I mean, he trades, but not too much on YouTube. But guys, check out Honest Take on YouTube. He's got a pretty big following, actually. No, Honest Take. Appreciate that, though, man. I appreciate the encouragement. I actually talked to Methodical Man on the phone privately. I'm not going to say what we talked about, but he gave me a lot of encouragement. A lot of encouragement to keep doing this and keep grinding it out and don't quit, you know. Because it's a lot sometimes to trade live and stream. It really is. It's a lot of added pressure. Last Friday when I was on Methodical Man's, we were doing that co-stream, I felt that added pressure again. I did okay. We made 3 trades. We made 2 winning trades, 1 losing trade. The very first trade we took on the Methodical Man co-op stream was, I definitely rushed that entry, and I knew it as soon as I pushed the button. I said, I did not even wait for my full setup, and I rushed the entry, and I was just like, ah. And turns out it came back and bit me bad. So, but it was a lot of fun. Got the channel a lot of exposure. I'm really bad at full-time trader too. This is my thing, is that I'm really bad at tech, but all I use is Streamlabs to stream. So all it is just a webcam, a microphone, and then I have 2 monitors, and then I have the Streamlabs on the side, like here. So this is Streamlabs, and then there's end stream, start stream, things like that, and this has all my sources and stuff. Yeah, so I can see the chat up here too. I think I messed up the stream there. There we go. Yeah, we're not in it, are we? Or are we in it? No, we're not in it. Wow, Design Knob, what are you doing? Boy, we missed the boat on that one. I had a good call though. Appreciate that. I am not paying attention. I'm a little tired. Today took a lot out of me. Took a lot out of me. It really did. I thought about making videos, even perhaps live stream, but I doubt will anytime. Yeah, I encourage people to do this, guys. So like, if you guys, like, the Honest Take could probably contest to this. Like, I mean, literally, if you have a hobby or something that you do on a regular basis, you know, just start a YouTube channel on it, whether it's trading or playing chess or playing poker online or something. Because you never know. I mean, it's not for everyone, but yeah, I appreciate that, full-time trader. Hey, John King, you only watch me and Nutty on YouTube. All the other two is way too Euro. Oh, emo when they trade. I just can't stand it. Oh, I appreciate that, John. Yeah, we try. We try. One thing I just, right off the bat, like, when I started this channel, I says, I'm just going to be myself. I'm not going to try to act. I'm not going to, like, put on a wrestling show. Like, try to be the heel, the bad guy, like PW does, like, for marketing. I was like, I'm not going to do that stuff. I'm just going to be myself and let this channel grow organically, you know? It's free, full-time trader. It's free. Hey, 450 subscribers is pretty good. I mean, it takes a long time. Methodical Man, I think he told me it took him 6-7 months to get 1,000 subscribers. Maybe 8 months to get 1,000 subscribers, and then he went from 1,000 to like 2,000 or 3,000 in like 1 month after that. So he had like a big jump. So yeah. Carlos, that's actually not a bad idea, man. That's actually not a bad idea. I like it. Go to the Spanish-speaking community and trade. Trev has a OnlyFans. He trades bare-chested baby oil. Actually, that's not a bad idea too, Trev. Have the OnlyFans for trading. Yeah, like full-time trader. I think you're absolutely right, because you actually see sometimes he's filming a video and you can tell like that's the real Patrick, like the real guy. And then he puts on this whole persona, just like a wrestler, just like he's in the WWE. Like that's what it reminds me of. Like he plays the heel, the bad guy. And he's constantly on the X, going after people. Oh, F could only be feet. That's true, Amelia. It could be. Only feats. Yeah. Man. So I do copy trade, but I copy trade in groups. So like Take Profit, I'll copy trade. Apex, I'll copy trade. Or Take Profit, I'll copy trade. The Apex, these 4 accounts, I copy trade together. So I don't copy trade them all at once like some people do. Like Methodical copy trades all his accounts. I just do in groups. That's how I do it. Yeah, full-time trader, yeah. It's tough, like, I think with like Top Step X or Top Step TV, is like you got too many traders like trying to think about the same trades. But like if it was a competition, it'd be different. But like when you're trying to like come up with the same idea, like one person's probably thinking, oh, I'm gonna try a long here. The other person's thinking, oh, I'm gonna take a short. I think that's why like Top Step TV gets smoked so bad, because there's just too many cooks spoil the broth, that saying. Yeah, arm trades. Yeah, no, I'm with you. I mean, I've been following Patrick forever. I mean, I didn't even know about futures, and I saw him trading like small caps way back in the day. Stargazer, I'm 110% with you when it comes to that. I'm 110% with you. It's the most popular thing that I don't understand whatsoever.
really, Amelia? No, I didn't see that. I'll have to rewatch it. Maybe they erased it though already.
Any advice on psychology? Yeah, how about this one, Manus? Discipline off the screens translates to discipline on the screens. So how about that? World Series Cup of day trading a few years ago. Yeah. Well, I know like Patrick's trying to do something like that too. Yeah, him trading small caps. Yep, back in the day. Yeah, he was a broke trader YouTuber back then. So we get the push there off the 50. But we were just chopping sideways, guys. Kind of got beat up on these evals a little bit, but... Oh, is he having a press conference? Oh, appreciate it, Arm Trades. Yeah, Methodical Man's the coolest, man. Methodical Man is one of those guys, and I hope to be just like this, is just support the small streamers, give shout outs, you know, things like that. And Methodical Man's always done that. Oh, the Roaring Kitty guy? Yeah, trading GameStop. Yeah, that guy's pushing up there off the 50. These pretty good sized candles though. Still just in a range for now. 558's about a 60, 70 point range, really. I like that. I've been noticing consistent gains for the last 8 months. Very nice, Manus. Been growing the live account and funded accounts and using that to fund the live and repeat until I graduate. Yeah, no, that's a great way to do it. Like, that's a great way to do it, is to, you know, take payouts or whatever and, you know, put it in your personal account. Not financial advice, by the way, guys, but yeah. Yeah, for sure, full-time trader. I mean, dude is definitely on a roll. He has a license to print money. That's for sure. I can't even get a take profit trader code. And then but like if you're a bigger streamer and stuff, these guys are making exclusive deals with these guys, giving them free accounts to be able to give to their subscribers. You know, it's tough, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Get down there. 6,600 for the night. Nice, Smokey. Very nice. Yeah, he did. Oh, nice, coach. Fred. Yeah, I might as well lock that up. 6,600. Blow the most, show the most. Yeah, that's right, Woodchip. Well, we are profitable ROI. So, which is nice. Yeah, that's a good point, full-time trader. That is a good point. I never thought about that. I've actually never thought about that, full-time trader. You could be right. No, so guys, yeah, I'm on X too, guys. If you want to follow me on X, Pine Tree Trader. It's me. Same profile picture and everything. So I'm on X. We also have a Discord. Let's see. Post the Discord. Discord here. So it's all free. It's all free. The Discord is free. It's just you know, it's small right now. I'm still trying to figure it out, but it's just yeah, it's just because the main trading channel here. It's the main chat, and then we got P&L photos. You guys want to put your P&Ls. Don't be afraid to put in your red stuff. Be afraid. Want to put a personal picture of yourself to show that we're not AI bots. And then I have my links here with Terry Trades. She's my friend, so I have her links here. And the X and her YouTube channel here, Terry Trades 100. She's got a YouTube if you guys want to subscribe to her. Really good trader, just finished 7th in the Ninja Trader tournament. 7th place out of 1,000. And just a place for the affiliate links, but yeah, appreciate you guys if you want to join up. It's all free, it's whatever. Not as fun as 0 days, but it's all free. Why did I start streaming? Well, I always found myself in other people's, you guys probably found me in other people's chats all the time. Other streamers, and I just really enjoy talking to other traders. And I'm constantly in other people's chats, like, you know, helping out people, like answer questions with, you know, prop firms or whatever, but affiliates, income, Manus. Affiliate income, you know, an extra income. Hopefully my YouTube should be monetized pretty soon too. Should be nice. But yeah, that's why, man. Alright, Smokey. Hey, Corey Phone Trader, what's going on? You like the Project X? Yeah, it's not bad. I know, Emmett. It really is. It really is. Yeah, Mayo just joined. How's it going, Mayo? Yeah, I'm gonna watch that when I'm done. I'm gonna watch that, Coach Fred. That's what I'm gonna do when I get done here. I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna watch that. So that is interesting. I wonder who it was. I want to know who it was. Market's starting to pick up a little bit. See, as that dry cough comes back every once in a while. Alrighty, Mac. Thank you. Appreciate that. I'm gonna send that to Terry. She'll be happy. Appreciate that. Appreciate the love and support, guys. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna call it there. Kind of a long day for me. I traded the crap out of the market today. So I'm getting a little tired, but yeah, Methodical Man's I love Methodical Man, full-time trader. He's good. Very transparent, very good trader. Definitely recommend giving him a sub. Yeah, sometimes he pops on, full-time trader. But yeah, I really appreciate it, guys. So just a little recap. We made $3,000 on the Take Profit Pro account today. So I'm gonna take a $1,500 payout on that. We just took a My Funded Future payout for $1,200. Made $1,875 on the personal account today. Just a great day, but I am exhausted. I am exhausted. So I need to get ready for tomorrow. Please, if you guys use my Bulanox, Apex, still have their sales going on. Use code PINE. I really appreciate the support. Terry Trades 100, Take Profit Trader, and Terry Trades 100. Yeah, all caps. Take Profit Trader. Use code MM for Methodical Man for My Funded Future, guys. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and tomorrow morning, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow night, probably, hopefully. So, thanks, guys. Peace. See you guys. Thanks for the new subs too, Jonathan. Anna Rose, thank you for the new subs. Appreciate it, guys. All right, I'm out.